Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Mazda 6 Carbon Edition. So the Carbon Edition comes with this nice polymetal gray metallic over the red interior. This one features the 2.5 liter turbo, made it to the 6-speed automatic, producing 227 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque. I love the different stitching patterns on this interior. Red stitching here, white cross stitching, and then red. Total price on this one is, that's what I love about Mazda, $33,810. This could be a $50,000 car easily, and yet Mazda prices it at $33,000. Nice black spoiler, turbo badge of course. Speaking of turbo, let's go look at that 2.5. Not bad at all. What a nice car, man. This one has the sunroof, of course. Do have the ventilated seats on just because they're nice. What's funny is this being the Carbon Edition, there's no carbon anywhere. I thought there would be like carbon trim or something like that, but the materials make up for it. Reverse and drive. Do have paddles behind the wheel, which are nice, especially in the fact that this does not have a CVT. Thank you, Mazda. This has a proper 6-speed torque converter automatic. Some people might want the dual clutch, but honestly development costs and overall cost of production would have skyrocketed the price of this. So it's either you get an affordable price point, which is an absolute bargain for this kind of car, or you get people with the torque or the dual clutch and make it a proper sports sedan. I like the way they went. I do think this one is the all-wheel drive. I have to, come on, watch. I have to check that. I think it's all-wheel drive. No, it's front-wheel drive. Okay, that explains a lot. Because I thought I saw on the back it said all-wheel drive, but no, this one's front drive. Because I'm like, all right, I got a little bit of torque steer, which I didn't get in the CX-30, which was all-wheel drive. I think this is a really, really nice competitor to the K5 GT, the new K5 GT, of course. Even though the K5 does produce just a little bit more horsepower, the torque figures of these two cars are almost identical. The K5 produces 311 pound-feet. This produces 310 pound-feet. Well, I've yet to drive the K5 GT. I have driven the motor, the same motor in the, what was it, Sorento? Yeah, in the Sorento SX, and it's a good motor. That has your dual clutch. I'm excited to try out the K5 GT and kind of see what it's like. because I think the materials inside here are a lot better than the normal K5, so what's weird is this feels a lot faster than the CX-30 I was just in with the same motor. So I don't know if it's because it's front wheel drive or what, but it just feels a lot faster. Can I just say, is that a King Ranch Super Duty? It's a pretty truck, man. Over the bumps, this car is actually really, really good. It's a little bit of a firmer ride than you might expect if you're expecting like a luxury sedan, but Mazda, of course, is focused on driver involvement. I don't know if their motto still is Zoom Zoom, but at one point it was. Little pocket rocket. Yeah, this is one of those cars that really impressed me the first time I drove it. It's just a nice experience, and for the price point, I honestly don't know where you're gonna find anything better. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.